everyone, welcome back to another week of vlogmas. I'm about to leave for work and I just got ready. I'm wearing like one of these really cute like shoulder padded tops that are really in right now. A little bit big on me, but I'm trying to tuck it in and make it work. I'm just wearing it with black jeans, and I also have my new snakeskin booties that are so cute. But yeah, like I said in my other vlogmas, I can't really vlog obviously much while I'm in the office, but I will make sure to pick up the vlog when I get off work. I'm also bringing this leather jacket because I'm gonna get way too cold in this. It's like 60 degrees today, so I honestly probably should be wearing long sleeves, but hopefully the jacket's good enough. Chicken parm for dinner. I got all over my plate. And breadsticks. I'm trying to upload the last vlogmas that will already be up way before this, but it's taking forever. I don't know why it's saying an hour and 4 minutes, and it's been like 40 minutes already. No, longer than that. It's been like almost 50 minutes, so I don't know what's wrong with it. Hey guys, so today it was pretty much a fail at vlogging. I think I took like 2 clips of just like nothing, not me talking or anything. Just like walking to work and making my coffee this morning. But I basically just had a work day and came home, and I was just so tired today for some reason. So I just laid in bed as soon as I got home. I only laid in bed for like 20 minutes, and then I was thinking about taking a nap, but I actually never really fell asleep, I don't think. I don't know why this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that can come off. Something about the energy glass. I don't know. But then my dad made fajitas for dinner, which was really good. And then basically for the rest of the night, I worked on pictures. I think I took a little clip of that. I actually finished editing both of the shoots that I had this past weekend. So I'm really glad that I was able to get those done really quickly for both of the families that I did. And I watched The Bachelor since tonight is Tuesday. Bachelorette. I had to watch last week's episode again because I had already seen it, but my mom wasn't caught up. So I rewatched that with her so that we could both watch tonight's episode together. So excuse how my makeup and face looks right now. I've been laying around ever since I got home. I think tomorrow's going to be another cold day, so I need to figure out what I'm going to wear. I might be going to dinner with one of my friends. I'm gonna have to text her tomorrow because we kind of like briefly tried to make a plan for Wednesday. So we'll see if it's still a thing. But I was just finishing out the pictures in my bed and watching some vlogmas, and now I'm gonna take my shower and go to bed. So hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better of a vlog. Thursday's gonna be fun because we're doing the tree here at my house. We're gonna be decorating with my sister and brother-in-law and my nephew. And John is coming, and we'll be doing the tree on Thursday, so hopefully that'll give a little bit more like Christmassy spirit content. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, happy Wednesday. This is the fit today. These boots I've had forever. I think I got from like DSW or something. I think they're Katy Perry brand, but I love these little white booties. I stopped wearing them for a while, but they're kind of coming back, I think. I have these dress kind of pants with like a really small like houndstooth print. These are from Zara. Just a plain gray turtleneck that I don't even know where it's from. And then I got this big puffer from Target before our trip to Colorado in October. So I absolutely love this thing. It's so comfy and it definitely keeps me warm. Since it's Wednesday, I'm gonna go to Dunkin' and try and get my free coffee. If you watched my last vlogmas, then you know that it was like kind of a weird experience. But I'm still gonna go and try because, I mean, it's free coffee, so. I have bananas and strawberries today. I usually have bananas and grapes, but these are about to go bad, I think, so I wanted to use them. One thing about the mask is it definitely keeps me warmer with it being so cold outside. Yeah, coffee secured. May or may not be taking an impulsive trip to TJ Maxx. It's a Thursday, I'm on the way to work. I didn't actually vlog much when I was like out with my friends last night. I don't know if I mentioned we had another one of our friends come with us, so it was really fun to catch up with them. And we were planning to like shop after a little bit, but the mall was closed. Before I met them there, as you saw, I actually took a spontaneous trip to TJ Maxx. It wasn't so spontaneous because I've been looking for like a Christmas tree candle. Didn't get one at Bath & Body Works just because I didn't really like the way the jars looked. So I was like, let me just go ahead and see if I can find one at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I I actually ended up finding one at Marshall's, not TJ Maxx. I also got some little like pots that I can use as like decoration, like ceramic, I guess. And then tonight we are doing the Christmas tree at my parents' house. We're gonna decorate and stuff, so it'll be fun and festive. It was a nightmare yesterday trying to deal with my camera being delivered because they attempted delivery, which I knew was gonna happen, and no one was gonna be there to sign for it. So I figured it was gonna be obviously either like they were gonna leave a door tag and like gonna like reattempt delivery, or they take it to like one of the FedEx locations. And they left a door tag, so my dad sent me a picture of it, and I went online to try and like reroute the package. You can tell it like if you want to have it delivered a different day or just sent to like the FedEx place. And the guy, I guess the driver, marked that it was delivered, but he put signed by and then in all caps no delivery. So like he made it seem like someone named no delivery signed for it. So technically in their system, anytime I went to go like change the route or edit anything, it wouldn't let me because it said it already got delivered. So, which it didn't. It was just because they noted at the same time that it was only an attempt. So I don't know why he marked it that it was delivered, because that just kept me from changing anything about the order. So my brother-in-law was nice enough to actually work from home from my parents' house today. So he's going to be there and sign for it when it comes, because I obviously can't with work. So he's there, he's going to sign for it, and since we're all coming over there later anyways, it's kind of like works out because he can just stay there all day. Hopefully they reattempt today because they said they would. And then I'll have my camera as soon as I get home. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to figure out how to like do everything because I've never used a Sony. Hey! What's that?
Whoa.
The camera has arrived.
Behold, I bring you tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior.
So I'm vlogging on my camera. I'm trying to see, because like I was able to connect it on my phone, and like I can see basically, because like this camera doesn't have a flip out screen, which is the one thing that I was like upset about, but it's been amazing. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna put like a couple clips that I took tonight, and obviously like this clip I'm gonna add in. I'm wondering if I'm gonna keep bringing it kind of like everywhere and vlogging on it, because like I don't want it to get messed up or like risk that, but it's just such good quality, so like I want to keep using it. It's also really dark because like I want to test the low light anyways, and because this camera is supposed to be really good for low light, and I also just didn't feel like turning the lights on. Yeah, I guess we'll see if I keep this around to vlog like regularly on. I wonder if I'll take it like tomorrow. I don't know, I guess we'll see. But yeah, we finished doing the tree, and I'm just obsessed with my camera, and I can't wait. Hopefully this weekend we'll go and like just go downtown and maybe take like some videos and pictures and just play with it more, because my phone is just like such bad quality. It's so convenient, but like that obviously is like not good. I wanted to get like a full frame camera whenever I got a new one, because I was like, I still want to use it for photography and stuff. So that's why I didn't get just like the little like more vlogging style like the A6000. That just wouldn't work for like all my needs, and I figured I should like do that first before I get like something smaller for vlogging. Okay, so I just got home and my package from Shein came in that I ordered on Cyber Monday. So I'm super excited. I just put it all on my bed, and obviously I got quite a few things. It was all really cheap. I think I got this whole order for like less than $70. I think it was more around like 60. So to get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to get like 10 things is like not bad. Of course it's kind of like iffy about like if it even fits right or the quality, but I'm just gonna hope for the best. I was actually planning on making a TikTok of all the stuff that I got for Cyber Monday and Black Friday. So I think I'm just gonna like try everything on now. I think I'm going to dinner tonight with my parents, and John might meet us there, I don't know. But I have about like an hour I think till we leave, so I think I'm gonna try everything on because like I said, I do want to make a TikTok, and then I'll probably show you guys on here too. So these are the first things. This really needs to be ironed, but I'm like way too lazy to do right now. They only had this in a small, and usually I'm between like small and medium, so I was kind of nervous, but it fits really good I think, especially when it's ironed. It's gonna look a lot better, and I just like that it looks like a dress shirt, but it's like more like a blouse type. It kind of like cinches in the middle, so super cute. I just want to get a bunch of like work clothes because I have to be like kind of business casual. and I definitely think a lot of this stuff will work for that. I got some leather, well, obviously faux leather leggings because I've never had these and they're like super on trend right now. They're obviously not the best quality. Like getting something leather-ish was probably not a good idea to get from Shein, but they're not too bad. I think I got these in a medium, and like they're not the most flattering, but if I wear a long enough shirt, like I think it's fine because like the leg part looks good. And then these shoes are from Forever 21. I think I showed these earlier in the vlog, possibly. I got these on Cyber Monday as well, and they came in and I'm obsessed with them. Next thing is this top I got from Forever 21. It just has like that cutout neck. That's also really trendy right now. I feel like you can wear this dressed up or really casual, which is what I liked about it. And I think this is only a couple dollars on their Cyber Monday sale. Okay, I'm obsessed with this top. This was probably something that I was most excited about from Shein. I think it ended up being like $6 or $7, and it's so cute. It has like this ruche detailing, and it's really lightweight, so it's perfect for in Florida because it's always so hot. I mean, not right now in the winter, but I can obviously layer this with some stuff. But it's so cute, really flattering, and I love the color. As you're gonna see, I got like pretty much all neutral colors, but oh well. This was also from Forever 21 online. It also had kind of iffy reviews, and I got it in a small, but it actually fits me pretty well. I actually really like it, and then it has kind of like the open-ish back like that. And obsessed with these shoes. I definitely showed these before because I wore them out to dinner in the last vlogmas. But I love these little like clear and nude mules. These are just Levi's. These were not from the haul. These are my favorite jeans. And it looks good with like pretty much everything I got. So I thought this would be a really cute blouse to wear to work, more so when it gets hot again. This is my pop of color, so this is like the one thing kind of colored that I got, but it's still like a neutral green. I love the neckline, and you can also like wear it off the shoulder. Really super flattering actually, and the quality is better than I expected. I always check and make sure it's not like the rayon, I think, because that like always shrinks even if you don't dry it just by the like washing it. And I think a lot of this is polyester. Everything's turning out really good so far and like actually fits, so I'm happy. So this one's kind of really out of my comfort zone. I never get like skin tight dresses, but I thought this one was pretty cute because again it has the ruching, which makes it a little more flattering, and it has one of these like scrunch tie things at the leg, so I actually really like this. I love this dress. I tried it on the other day when it came in the mail. This was from Forever 21 online, so I was also scared about the sizing, but it looks really good to me. I love it with the little mules. Can't wait to wear this. Again, I think I showed this in the other vlog. I wore it out to dinner. This is a little bit big on me, but the ruching again helps. You can also wear this really casual or dressed up, which I like. This is from Forever 21. I bought in store on Black Friday. I only got 2 dresses, and I think the other one I'm going to show at the end. I love this top from Shein. This turned out such good quality. That like bandage style neck. But it's really thick actually, and I really like it. Another leather item, I got like some paper bag shorts, which I've been looking for, and they honestly don't look that bad for being like less than $10. But I definitely like this outfit together, and they're long enough so I could like wear them to work. This is just a little one shoulder tank top I got from Shein that was like $4 or something. You can kind of dress this up too, which is good. Okay, so this is the only thing I could have been a little happier with. Of course, it's so wrinkled right now. It might look better when I iron it. I just wish it was a little bit longer. It gets kind of short right here on the side, but I love this like trench coat blazery dress look. And I got this in a large because it was the only size they had, and I was worried it was going to be too big, but I wish it was a little bit longer, but still really cute. Love it with the boots. Another just basic tank top. This is really high neck. I've been really into the turtlenecks lately, and I think it's super cute on a tank top. This is really good quality actually. This seems like it could be from like Zara or something, and again only like a few bucks, so looks really cute with the leather. Another like silky looking slip dress. I love these with like the cow neck. I got this in store on Black Friday at Forever 21. I actually almost returned it because the first night I tried it on I didn't really like it. I thought it was a little bit too baggy, which like it kind of is, but I think it's cute because I tried it on again and I was like, no, I like it. And I love the pattern and like the snake skin and the color. I think it's so cute, so I think I'm gonna keep it. And the last dress I love from Forever 21 online. I got it on Cyber Monday, and I think I might wear this on Christmas Eve. I'm not sure yet. Definitely cute with the boots again, and it's so comfy. It's just like this big sweater dress. It honestly feels like I'm wearing like a hoodie. It's amazing.